door isn't feeling like me. I like the color, but in this space it's feeling too dark. I want to brighten it up. Modern Masters has this great front door paint in water-based contemporary colors that lets me paint and close my door in the same day. Now that's my kind of project. They even have a free front door paint app that lets me pick a color and see exactly what my door will look like. Fortunate, that's the one for me. Modern Masters offers some great tips. After prepping, I'll paint the reveals, then the panels, the horizontals starting at the top, and finally, the verticals. That feels better, and it coordinates perfectly with my landscaping. It's a bright and happy color. It says, "A fortunate person lives here."